How to fix Meta AI not showing on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Play Store. Click on Play Store. Search for WhatsApp. Then click on WhatsApp. If there is update available, simply update WhatsApp to the latest version. After you've done that, if it does not still solve your problem, simply go to Settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Search button located at top right corner of your screen. Then search Apps. Click on Apps and Notifications. After you've clicked on that, simply click on See All Apps. In here, scroll down till you find WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp and then go to Storage and Cache, which is below Permission. Clear cache and clear storage. If these methods does not work with you, it simply means WhatsApp Meta AI is not available on your region. And this is how to fix Meta AI not showing on WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.